Hello student, this is the question gate 1993, 2 marks. What is saying? Assume that the following jobs are to be executed on a single processor system. This is the job ID PQRST and execution time is burst time is given 41812. The job are assumed to be arrive at time 0 plus. It means all process arrived at a same time. Getting my point? At a same time, and the order is PQRST. Calculate the completion time of job P, means when the job P is finished, if round robin scheduling algorithm is used and the time quantum is 1 unit. Getting my point? So we will make a Gantt chart here. First P 0 to 1, then P, here we can write we make a chart here. P Q R S T 0 1 2 3 4 5, this is 3, this is complete, 7 complete, 1, then P, then R 7, then T 8 complete, then P 9 1 unit, then R 10 5 unit, then P 11 complete. Getting my point? So what is the completion time of P? That is 11. Clear? Here you can see from P 0 to 1, then 5 to 6, then 10 to 11. Till 11 the P1 is complete, then the completion time of P1 is 11. Clear hai? Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.